It is very true. If there will be no guest, there will be no revenue. There will be no money coming to the outlet. If the guests keep coming, if they keep patronize with your outlet, if they keep coming to your unit, if they keep coming to your institution, if they keep coming to your company, this is the most desired things. If there will be no guest coming in, if there are no customer coming in, you will not have the revenue, you will not have the sale, you will not have the cash. So it is important to make sure that we engage with them well, we give them a good service, we entertain them well, we listen to them well, and see how we can assist them with the available resources. You are empowered by your company, by your supervisor, by your manager to do X, Y, and Z. This is why we have pre-trainings, because in these trainings, they explain to you, they train you, they make you qualify that this you must do as and when you interact with the customer. So keeping sure if the customer is there, we are there. If there is no customer, the outlet or institution or company do not exist. We cannot survive without the revenue.
This is even proving more during the COVID-19. There is no customer and there is no paycheck as well.
Very true. In your own definition, what is the meaning of a service? Service is taking action to create value for someone. When we give a service, we are creating the value because the people, those who came to your door, people, those who came to your restaurant or the hotel or the company or the institution, they came with some expectation. So now this expectation is to provide the service. What is service? Service is taking an action. You are required to take an action because they arrive, they ask for X, and then with the required tools that you are empowered with, you provide a service, you are taking an action, you are creating a value for your visitors, your guests.
So the value, it can be in terms of experience, it can be in terms of product, and it can be in terms of answering their questions as well. For
Very
example,
true.
customer is asking for booking a reservation. That is also a service when you are taking taking the reservation and you are suggesting them the menu, or you are suggesting them the taking their all noting down all the requirements correctly. That is also a service, right? It's not just only
while sitting while sitting, if he's asking you to book a spa for him, because whenever they finish the service they want to use the spa after that, so he has asked you to please help him out to book. Okay, all you do is to ask him, sir, may I take the key number? You have taken the key number and you say, okay, I'm going to do a booking for you. But what is the most important thing? If you have taken any action on behalf of him, after the booking, after the action is taken, you revert back to the same guest and you said to him, sir, I have done the booking for you. Your booking number is XYZ and you are booked at 7:25, 5:15, 4:15, today, tomorrow, day after, whatsoever. But you make sure that you revert back to your customer. This is a part of the service, so he know that the advice that he asks you or the thing that he asks you, you have taken an action and you have done the deal for him. So this is called taking action towards the service.
so it's not only taking the action, it's also about giving back the feedback that something has been done on their request.
Yes, it's the most essential. If I'm sitting in a place and then I have asked that please can you get me the menu from other restaurant, all right, then you know that you have sent the message already, the menu is already arriving by hand to somebody. You tell him, yes sir, the menu is on the way, it will take a couple of minutes, kindly be patient with me. So he know that you have taken an action and he expect to see that menu from another outlet in couple of minutes. So this is highly important that you reward back to the customer for anything that he has asked you. That will put the customer at ease, and also it increases the brand value. It also tells the customer that the staff, those who work here, are knowledgeable. They are working very professional. Not only I ask them casually, but they have done the job and they have brought me the message that the job is done.